Sports idioms. The ball is in your court. Definition: it is your turn to make a decision. Example: we have submitted our final offer. The ball is in your court to accept or reject it.
Some video examples.
Ball's in your court, Captain.
The ball's back in your court.
The ball's in your court.
Saved by the bell. Definition: to be rescued from a difficult situation at the very last second. Example: he was about to get in trouble, but his boss left early, so he was saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by bell.
Saved by the bell.
To strike out. Definition: to fail or be unsuccessful in an endeavor. Example: even though he practiced every day, he felt he might strike out during the big presentation.
Try to strike everybody out.
Go college strikes out.
We strike out.
Jump for joy. Definition: to express extreme happiness. Example: I wanted to jump for joy when I found out I got the job.
To be jumping for joy by now.
I suppose I'm jumping for joy.
I could jump for joy!
On the ball. Definition: to be alert, quick to understand or react to a situation. Example: our new manager is really on the ball and never misses a deadline.
Focus on the balls.
Move out on the ball! On the ball, Reb.
Front runner. Definition: expected to win or succeed. Example: after the first debate, she became the front runner in the election.
That's good for the front runner.
The front runner for valedictorian.
Well, my front runner for chief president.
Drop the ball. Definition: to make a mistake or forget to do something important. Example: I dropped the ball and forgot to bring my library books to school today.
Drop the ball!
Drop the ball.
I dropped the ball.
Get the ball rolling. Definition: to start an activity or get something moving. Example: let's get the ball rolling and start cleaning up the playroom.
Let's get the ball rolling.
And just to get the ball rolling.
We're gonna get the ball rolling.
Throw in the towel. Definition: to give up because something is too hard. Example: after trying to fix the puzzle for an hour, Leo decided to throw in the towel.
Yeah, by throwing in the towel.
They're throwing in the towel.
All right, throw in the towel.
Keep your eye on the ball. Definition: to stay focused on what you are doing. Example: you need to keep your eye on the ball if you want to finish your homework before dinner.
You need to keep your eye on the ball.
Just keep your eyes on your balls.
Eye on the ball. Keep your eyes on the ball.
Win hands down. Definition: to win something very easily. Example: our team practiced so much that we won the race hands down.
Blame you wins hands down.
Would win, like, hands down.
Anniversary would win, hands down.
Give it your best shot. Definition: to try your absolute hardest. Example: even if the math test is tricky, just give it your best shot.
Give it your best shot.
Okay, O'Connor. Give it your best shot.
Please, give me your best shot.